Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you notice that on my banner and on my channel that I've actually changed my name. So I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about that, as well as I'm going to go ahead and review a Geauxdian product. Alright, so I'm very excited to review this Geauxdian product. That is what it's called. So the link to the shop is going to be in the description box below. And it's called Geauxdian, okay? So this is the packaging for Geauxdian. And the packaging is really cute. The shipping was very fast. I got it within maybe, I would say 3 days after I placed the order. So it's very fast. I want to also bring light to, this is a Black owned company. And I also am going to put the YouTube channel down below as well. So thank you, Mama Dell, for sending this out. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to show you the product. So this is the front. This is a beautiful packaging, by the way. I love beautiful packaging. And then it was wrapped in gold. This is really cute. So as it's wrapped in gold, cut this one out. So what I've actually gotten with the content is a card, and it's Dell with Mama Dell. And like I said, I'll be linking their YouTube channel in the description box below. I also get earrings, and this packaging is so cute, so cute. And it's black and gold, so it gives me like a royal feel. And I have earrings, and this is what I've been waiting for. So in here, it is a headscarf in addition to a mask that goes with the headscarf. So I'm going to give you a look with this. I'm going to come back, tell you some more about the product, and then I'm going to go ahead and try it on. Now, the reason why I look so crazy is because head wraps are a really good alternative to when you're having like a bad hair day or you just don't feel like doing your hair. So this is why I actually have my hair this way. This is my natural hair, my natural little bun puffball. So I'm gonna actually put this on, and you will see that I will go from drab to fab. So I'll be back. Right, so this is the look that I have for the Geauxdian. Now it's Geauxdian Couture. So I'm sorry, it's Geauxdian Couture. I did purchase this with my own money. It was $35, and I did want, it was another color that I really wanted, but it was sold out. So this was the second color that I wanted, and I'm happy that I got it. So if you see that I tried to do the colors that are in here, so of course I did the blue for the blue, I did the green because I wanted to bring the green out, and if you can see I kind of did like an orange cheek. And then here is the mask that also comes with it. I'm not sure what this might be for. Let me see if there's anything like directions or anything like that. No, it's not. Oh, and she gave us a thank you card. This is so perfect. And you get a 15% off code on your next purchase. This is beautiful. That's great. So, Mama Dell, if you do see this, if you can put in the comment section what this might be for. I think you put it in here, but I'm not too sure. But this is the inside of the mask. And then this is the outside. So, of course, it matches this. When I did kind of put the mask on, you can really tell that the mask, it has like this crease here. And a lot of times with the mask, they kind of stick to your nose where it's kind of hard to breathe. But the crease kind of makes it protrude out a little bit. So that's perfect because it's more easy for breathing. I really feel like this goes inside, but I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not sure. Okay. So that's that. So I really wanted to do this because, like I said, sometimes I have a bad hair day where I don't want to put on a wig, or I don't want to do, you know, really nothing to my hair. So, and this is not the only time that you can also just wear this if you just want to kind of wear it as well. But this is great for the winter and the summer. So let me open it up. And this is what you get. Very, very, very long. And the material is really, really thick too, and that's very perfect, because if you're gonna be using it on your head and you're gonna go outside in the cold, you want to make sure that your head is well protected. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm going to wrap it around my ponytail. And it's just like that. But you, of course, can wrap this 1,001 ways if you want. I'm also going to put down below the link that Mama Dell has Mama Dell also did a video on a couple ways that you can wear it. But this would be something that I would probably wear like this. And then what you can do is you can definitely, you know, take out a little bit of hairs, and then you can do your baby hairs too. And here's the look. So like I said, I will be putting in the description box below the link. Make sure this is covered. Okay. I'll be putting in the description box below the link to her video. If you guys want to kind of see the different ways that you can wear it. You can actually have your hair out and you can wear it as well. In addition to, you can have your hair all in and not wear it like mine. And then here is the mask. Make sure I'm putting this on correctly. Yep. I'm gonna put this in here because I think that might be what it's for, but. Also, I want to tell you guys, if you've seen, my name is Chris Style. So, of course, my last initial is B. But I kind of wanted to change it up because I wanted to kind of give something a little bit savvy. And then on top of that, I hear people saying crispy, instead of Chris B. So I changed it to Chris Style. So now you'll see me in the beginning saying, "This is your girl, Chris Style." Am I going to change my name again? Who knows, you know? But that is why you see the name change in the banner and on my channel, okay? So you guys, thank you so much for watching the review. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell, and I will see you in the next video.